quickly can we unravel their will to fight?
With you and I in concert, immediately.
Hello.
What's up?
Time to jump.
Uh-oh, boys. Breach flash and sky. Fade eye at A.
Spike down A. One enemy remaining.
Here.
Flawless.
That was clean.
Good job.
Keep it up. What will it be this time? Have any patterns emerged yet?
We should probably buy since we won pistol round.
Cutting through.
Fixed it.
Wall raised.
Sorry, that was bad one way.
Careful. Enemy. Reloading.
What?
Bring them down. Found one.
Portal closed.
Reloading.
Time to jump.
They're blind with fear.
Footsteps. C.
Spike down B.
Kill.
Breach is C. Sage is C.
We have Spike outside B. We got Spike outside B.
Oh, Fade's going with a push.
One enemy remaining.
No charges. Where are you? Mark
30
one.
seconds left.
Nice.
Dragons inside your head.
Let's go, team.
Move in after I strike. That's when they're weak.
This is bonus. This is bonus.
Gotta
Bonus. Yeah. Fade, can I have a ghost?
Break's over.
I think it has it. You can have it back. Okay,
Time to
that was...
jump.
Many enemies A.
Where are you?
There.
Cutting through.
Oh, that's a bad flash. Shoot.
Enemy spotted. Take this. Go.
Last player standing.
Fade's on A, and Sage is too. You have to reload the Guardian. Has some bullets.
Spike planted.
He's going for it. He tried. That's all that matters. We're still up around it. It's chill.
Hi. Fight's not over, you know.
John.
Go.
Cutting through.
Neon, do you wanna push this?
There. Take this! I'm out of here!
Decoy.
Gotta go!
Anyone else? My ult's ready. Portal closed. Time to jump.
You had your fun. My turn.
Time to
Just
jump.
try to avoid Clove.
There.
Run away, run away. Clove's coming towards the stage. Run. Okay, she died.
Out of charges.
Careful.
Fade hit at least 55. Both closer to site.
30 seconds
Healing.
left.
There.
One enemy remaining. Ace.
God damn!
Oh my god. I might not submit this VOD, honestly. It really depends on if we start losing
Anyone
rounds.
feeling generous?
But, I mean, time will really tell, you know?
Hey,
Sure.
Yoru.
I would really like for you to see the ace, but, like, also,
Hey, Yoru. Can you buy me, please?
Teşekkürler. Thank you.
I would really like you to see the ace,
Cutting through.
but, like, also, if we just dominate them, it's not going to be a good VOD.
Watch
So,
out.
I mean, it really just depends
Gotta go.
on how good we do. And, we'll see that ace. We'll see that ace.
You're done.
I'm not smurfing. I'm not smurfing, guys. I'm not smurfing. I mean, I kind of am.
Cutting
but
through.
I'm not smurfing. In a way, I'm smurfing.
One enemy remaining.
Good job, team. That's a good job.
Good
team.
shit. Mostly.
Spike spotted A.
The nightmare is becoming real.
Egg Potter? Egg Pooter? I don't know what that means, but yeah. We're gonna run with it. We're gonna run with it.
Time to jump.
Nah. I'm not gonna do that.
Marked one. They're dead. Many enemies B. Get lost.
Cutting through.
You will not kill my allies!
Spike down B.
I'm out of here!
One enemy remaining.
Nice. We're still winning, boys. We might not be submitting this VOD, honestly.
Hit them again.
So
Need a drop. And I'm out.
I really want to submit this VOD, but also
Thanks.
it's 5-1 right now, so it really depends on how we perform. Like I said last round, I might not submit this VOD.
I'll show them.
Time to jump.
It wouldn't be a good one because we just dominate them, and I'm playing really well. So I mean,
Decoy.
Love's there. Bad. Oh, that's a bad flash.
Spike down
80 on
A.
Clove. Could have overhealed.
Go, go, go!
One enemy remaining.
Hey. Nice.
That enemy taken out.
Ooh. Yeah, I don't think this is a VOD we're gonna spin, but I'm still gonna record it all the way, just to be sure that
Need a drop.
just to be sure that our attack side is
Salamat,
good.
thanks.
Just to be sure that we are not
Need a drop. Salamat, thanks.
just destroying and then I
Need a drop.
submit a bad VOD that
Salamat,
doesn't have very
thanks.
many coaching points. So,
They're
Cutting
here
through.
to betray them.
yeah, our omen needs to. Our omen did buy. Oh, what?
Outside B.
Clove was C. Jade IB. I'm just gonna sit and spawn. What?
Train house.
Gotcha fun. My turn.
Last player standing.
Close and spawn. Raises outside B. And Fade to her IB. So Fade just might be B or C. Nice try.
That's my bad. I was zoned for some reason. I knew she was there, but not.
Keep hunting
It's
them
good.
down. Their saints
We're
cannot
still winning. That's all that matters. We are still winning. You know what? Hold on. Just to be sure that this is gonna be a good VOD that we're gonna submit, I'm gonna say this. This might be my rank up game. I know. But if I say that, we're gonna get destroyed for the rest of the game. So
Cutting through.
we have ults. I'm gonna ult down A, and if they're not here, I'm gonna flank them.
I'll handle
No. Cloves and spawn. Going C. Sage is also C.
Face your fear.
That's 4B. C.
it. I'm back.
Yeah. All of them are C. C and C spawn, C
Spike
lobby.
down,
I don't
C.
know. I'm gonna call it C.
80 on Clove.
Last player standing.
Ooh. Clove has that aim. I had like that one ace and then like a few kills after it, but like that's just kind of been my. See look. I said this might be my rank up game. Look at this. The exact same round. It's a 1v4. See what happens when I say that this might be my rank up game. Okay.
Spike
They have
down
res,
A.
but we're all dead on C, so it doesn't matter. They have slow orb, heal. You have slow orb and heal. Just saying, just so they know. You could have also left.
30 seconds left.
It's a good reposition.
Message sent.
One enemy remaining.
Ah, nice
And C.
try. Potter.
I'll
That,
pick them apart.
maybe
You
that's
clean
why
up
the egg
whatever's
pooter
left.
makes sense now. The egg pooter. But
I need a drop.
can I have a buy?
Thanks.
Thank you. Yeah, I think I might just fast push this on my own, solo push. And
Drop
then I'll
time to
just be
jump.
out of a bad thing. Probably should call that to my team. It's fine.
Decoy.
Which is A.
There.
They have no idea I'm here. Okay, they might know.
Cutting through.
There.
They're splitting. Oh, actually, one's coming from
Fade
C.
dog A. And
Might be
steps
Sage.
outside of A.
Off your feet!
Breach ult A.
Somebody was C.
Fake teleport.
Breach is on A. On site.
Last player standing.
Close A. Might be A. They already knows that,
Spike
but I'm giving the
planted.
comms anyway. Nice try. Look. We've lost 2 rounds in a row. 2 of them. 2 of those rounds. After I said, guys, this might be my rank up game. You see that? You see that? Yeah. I just really wanted this to be a... anyway. Vabdul.
Time to jump.
Neon, do you want to fast push this again?
There. There.
D.
Take this. Go, go, go. Enemy A. Go, go. Shortcut.
It's not like people, no.
Zack, portal closed.
Close and spawn. Near A. Sage is that side C.
Shadows traveling.
Last player standing.
Raze is on the side. Nice try. Oh, what is happening? No, I shouldn't have jinxed it. No, no, that was my rank up game.
In
No.
the half.
No point
What have I
saving.
done?
Try it all.
What have I done? I can't buy me. Okay. Can't buy me, just can't buy in general, and just can't buy me.
Weapon here.
What the?
Cutting through.
Gotta be a good team and at least give
I
them
have your back.
a pretty decent rifle, right? Like, I can't just give them
Decoy.
I gotta give them the best gun I can buy. At the very least. Oh crap, we left C alone.
There.
And of course they're pushing C. I'm gonna grab this sword, and then I'm gonna...
Nightmare, take that! Mark 4.
That is 4 there. I say it's just...
Portal closed. Time to jump.
Heads up!
You had your fun. Take hold. My turn.
Cover going out.
There's still 2 on C.
I'll find you.
Breach and something else. He's taking that fight with a Spectre?
You will not kill my
That's
ally.
crazy.
Your duty is not
Oh shoot, I'm alive. Wait. Hey, Breach is still outside of C.
Nice.
I tired.
Spike planted.
Planted A. I hear that.
Last player
Never mind, they
standing.
don't. Alright, this might be Fade's ace here. They have I.
I'll find
use it,
you.
They know that Fade's right there. Raise.
That
They
makes
get the kill
3.
on Raise. They see Fade. They have no idea where Sage
One
is.
enemy remaining.
No idea where Sage is. Nice!
You have got to be kidding me.
What are they doing? What are they doing? What are they doing? They got it. They got it. You got it. You got it. Oh.
Ace.
Good ace.
Your dreams are dust.
That's 2 aces.
Switching sides.
Yeah, that's 2 aces.
One dream ends.
Should
Another
I?
begins.
Should I?
Can someone get this?
No. Did Omen buy blind? He did. Nice. Is that 1 TB, 1 blind, and legends? Has to be, right?
I'll cut through.
I'm out of here. Reloading.
That's
D.
Enemy C. Reloading.
who wants to see. We rotate here, that's 3 people.
Waterfall. One's on C.
We fake, walk slow and go back C.
Enemy B.
Cutting through.
Wall still broken? Or wall still up?
No, yeah.
Enemy B.
Raises A.
Our spike carrier dead.
Spike down. C. Last
I got the
player
spike.
standing. Long.
Oh my god.
Dreams are a funny thing. One little twist, and it all turns dark.
I know I had flashes, but I mean, what can you do? It was kind of cornered, no point in flashing, because one side and then the other side, you know, there was really no time to do it.
It begins.
But you know,
I'm out of here. Reloading. Enemy A.
they know that we're going A.
Enemy spotted A. Gotta go.
104 on raid. Careful Neon, there might be one there.
There's 2 on A. They can't even shoot that.
Last player standing.
This
Spike
Glove's
down
kinda crazy.
A.
Oh yeah, they're being carried by Clove. Look at that. 26-14 and the second highest at 18 is 8-9. Yeah, that's crazy. That's ugh, their Clove decided to lock in and our Neon is on the other side of the map, so they might want to get to running. That's not running. Honestly, I would run into their spawn and then when I'm close enough I'd stop. They're probably suspicious of their
30
flank
seconds
now
left.
Because
Flawless.
yep. FK. AFK. I mean, you can put anything in front of FK, like AFK,
There.
now what would not get me in trouble with Dom? I don't actually know if there's anything wrong
I'm
with
afraid
what
this
I'm
might
thinking
get
of right
rough.
now. Like, it's just B, but I don't know if that means anything or not.
Time to jump.
Enemy C. Spike dropped. I have the spike. Wiped. Careful.
Nice. If they can't
There.
raise.
Where are
Time to jump.
Careful. Careful.
It's got blind.
Silence, Dream Seer.
Bruh, no
Last player standing.
Bruh, no way I didn't check that. Like, I wasn't shot at, so I was like, okay, yeah,
Ade,
I'm gonna
again.
just chill.
Their
And then
fear is a
Owen's
trap,
getting shot
and
from
the
behind,
trap
and then I'm
is
like, wait a second, and then I look behind me, and then I'm getting shot from behind, and then I die, and now I'm sad because we lost.
I need this.
Reloading.
That was the sound of pain. Okay.
Quick feet, quick trigger.
What's our Neon doing? What's our Fade doing?
Decoy.
The Fade always hides that immediately. Raze pushed up. They're rushing A, I think.
Cover
I
going out.
think they are.
Shadows traveling.
And Raze there. Our attack side is pretty weak. Mostly because we're not playing together. Should I probably start calling
Got here.
we should be playing together. But that's just me. The rhythmic dude is carrying them.
Spike planted.
Yeah. Why are we just completely abandoning it? He knows that there, he can just switch.
Blinding.
Ooh, that's not good.
Last player standing.
Take this!
It's Fade.
Go, go, go!
Nice try. Just Fade. They just know, you know. They just
Never
feel
show
it.
weakness.
They feel it in their guts.
Ever.
They're like, yeah, I feel like they're going here. And then it works out because we're that predictable. Okay, so I think we rush B, my ult. I run in, Neon you follow, and everyone else just go in there. Oh, and can you actually blind
let's play slow.
the right side
One
of the
here.
site?
I will rip the light
There.
from them.
I'll handle this. Cutting through.
Breaches, I think.
I'm back.
You had your fun. My turn.
There. That's fine.
Cutting
That's
through.
fine. We just we can wait out both.
Enemy B.
One heaven.
Flag.
One enemy remaining.
I thought they were dead, bro. I thought they were dead. 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 Okay. I thought they were dead. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. Trust me, Dom. Don't be disappointed. Please. Don't be disappointed, please. Please don't be mad at me, Dom. Please.
Anyone feeling generous?
Can I get a buy?
Ah,
Thank you.
can buy, yeah.
Anyone feeling generous?
Run.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Here's your
Go, go, go!
I'll find you.
Bad luck.
Easy. Sage, can I have a heal?
We'll catch them.
I'm out of here!
Bring them down.
Shortcut!
Found one. My ult is ready. Enemy edge.
Dropped in there.
One drop. One heaven. One heaven. One heaven. I don't know if drops there anymore.
One enemy
just hit.
remaining.
last one was up.
Last in heaven.
Hit 140. Up
He's
heaven.
lit.
Just one shot. Could heal though.
Like he's left right.
He's on site now.
He's
Last player
he's in front of you.
standing.
Stealing sight.
Nice. I had no idea where Omen was there for a second, because I was looking at the map and it looked like he was
I'm
looking
over
this
them.
way, but he was looking this way. I thought he was here and looking this way, but he was here and looking this way. What did they say?
What did Potter even say?
I don't know.
Must have been pretty bad though.
I need a drop.
Omen, can you buy me?
Thanks. Hit them when they're
TP
not
line up, TP
looking.
line up, TP line up.
Time to jump. Decoy.
Face your fear!
Fake teleport.
Taking that.
He's kind of clear. Oh wait, link.
Enemy spotted. Let's try.
Time to jump.
Heaven.
Gloves on A. Someone's in heaven probably.
CT and heaven.
40 on Clove, they overhealed. 2 heaven.
Last player standing.
Stealing sight.
Nice try. Ooh. game's kind of close. A perfect
Time to
Dom
stock
coaching
back up.
video. Anyway, perfect Dom coaching.
Can someone
Perfect
get
thing
this?
for Dom. Oh man, you could buy Fade, not Fade, Sage.
Thank you.
I have been getting my ancient names wrong. Holy!
Time to work.
That's just how long it's been.
Thank you.
Since I've like actually
I'm outta
like
here.
played on
There we go.
120. Raise. Nice. Let's spectate.
Your
Oh, never mind.
duty
I'm back.
is
Let's
not
go.
over.
I'm back.
Who killed me? They're dead. My ult's ready.
You know what? I got my ult from dying.
Cutting through.
Yes,
Urusenda.
Sage, can I have you?
for you.
Ah,
Bye bye.
Yeah, we have sight. Let's sit here.
Waterfall.
One
He's
enemy
going
remaining.
CT. Oh, he's in waterfall now.
Nice.
We're not good enough.
That's my gun.
don't stop fighting. You must keep going, even if you're the only one.
Reloading.
Hey, it's John. Hey, John. Prank him, John. I ult onto site. Fade, you could also ult site, so we could
There.
get on there easy.
Gotta go.
I'll handle this.
Clove is A.
Cutting through.
Raise is A. Going drop. Sky.
I'm back.
Marked one.
Drop in heaven.
Back up. Go good. Spike planted.
Clove heaven.
Clove A.
Off your feet!
Reloading. We'll catch that for you.
Time to
We know where
jump.
Fade is.
Oh yeah,
You
she
will
was having,
not
she was
kill
having.
my allies. I'm out of here.
No more dreams.
Pull that off.
Reloading.
Dead.
Bring them down.
The only option is
Where
drop.
are you?
One enemy
Oh,
remaining.
let's go team.
Do not fight us.
I don't care if there are 5 of them or 50 of them. Let's
Coming back,
go.
we're coming back, it's good. And their Clove has dropped 30. Lovely. That was almost pretty bad with that, metal. We're not close to any ults, we have guns, everyone can buy,
Snuff them out.
I don't really know what we do here. We just rush B now.
Go, go, go.
Time to jump.
I'm out of here.
B is
Work
kind of okay on the
Enemy B.
side.
I'll find you. This. Gotta go.
Two, CT.
I deal with that.
Cutting through.
Here. No way.
120 on Fade, getting on side.
Headshot.
I think. I don't actually know. Never mind, they just left
Bring
back
them
to
down.
Heaven
Enemy remaining.
Satisfied. You had your fun.
One enemy remaining. Last player standing.
Nice. Good job. We're in the game, boys. We're on the board. We can win this. We can win this, boys. This is
Match
winnable.
point.
We can all agree losing sucks. Come on,
Guys and
let's
gals.
win. Need a drop. Salamat, thanks. Need a drop.
Bye, shorty.
Salamat,
Just for the
thanks.
fun of it. Just for the fun of it. It's not gonna like prove any value or anything, but you know, it could, you know, be pretty useful.
Weapon here.
Cloth
On my mark. Gotta go.
I'll find you.
Spike drop.
Enemy A.
They're going
I have
out.
the spike. Reloading. Reloading.
What's outside?
My ultimate is ready.
I'm out of here.
2 drop. Sage hit 117. It's like a
Go,
lower
go.
drop.
Reloading.
One enemy
My
remaining.
ult's ready.
Like, no. Like,
Fire in the hole.
Here we go.
entrance to tree.
Last player standing.
Almost out.
Could slide here.
Go, go, go.
Nice. GG's.
Nice work. GG's.
Attackers win.
Hi,
GG.
that's how you do it.
Yeah, y'all. Well, we came back, and I think that's going to be a good game for coaching. Hopefully. 2019? 20 and 19? Bronze 2? Coolio. Alright.